Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Adam, and yeah, so in today's video got something exciting. We're going to be looking at and reviewing the brand new Jolie Beauty Golden Skies palette. So if you don't follow me on social media, like Instagram or anything, I have been showing the palette on there. I've been swatching the palette. I'll link like my Instagram and stuff down below. It probably won't be on there now, but we're gonna like swatch a few on the fingers today. As you know, I am an affiliate with Jolie Beauty and they did send this palette to me, but it's not going to change my perception or anything in any way. I'm still going to be 100% honest and truthful. That is the reason why they have sent me this, is because with their products I am very truthful, and if there's something that I don't like, then I'll like say what I don't like the brushes. I didn't like the brushes at first and I said that, but now they have become literally, I use them every single day because they are such good brushes, and I think it was like nearly a year ago now that that's coming up since they was brought out. So yeah, let's get on with the video and stop mumbling. I'm sat editing the video, and can I just say, like, I'm going on a diet because my double chin is driving me insane. I'm so sorry. So guys, before I show you the palette, I am going to tell you what we're going to be doing. So basically, to save time and stuff like that, I'm going to be doing one look on this eye and one look on the other eye. So it's going to look a bit crazy, but I just want to show you like the palette's full potential, and you'll understand what I mean in a minute. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the palette. It's the Jolie Beauty Golden Skies palette. This is the outer case. It's absolutely beautiful. It feels like a textured matte glittery case, and then on the back you have the cruelty free, you have all the information and some ingredients as well. So I'll read you what it says on here. So inspired by the stunning Ibiza sunset, the Golden Skies palette takes you through the gorgeous hues of Mother Nature's most incredible spectacle. From burning girls to mysterious purples, each shade will take you on a journey and express an emotion. So guys, on the website, this retails for £28.99, and at any point during this video, if you like the palette and you want to add it to your basket, I do have a discount code. I'll link that down below as well. You can use that if you want. You don't have to. It's just like a way of you guys saving money. I've never earned anything from the discount code. Literally just there for you to, if you want to use it. So let's get cracking. So let's take this out of the uni carton. So when you take it out, it's going to look exactly the same as the uni carton, and then it's the same on the back. Okay guys, so here is the unveiling. So guys, here is the Jolie Beauty Golden Skies palette. As you can tell, I have been swatching and playing with it already. I just couldn't help myself, and yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So another thing you'll notice is on this side of the palette is all your like neutral tones, and then you have all of these like amazing popping colours. There's 3 different formulas in here. But we'll talk about those in a minute. So we're just going to go through the names. So we've got Whiteout, Warmth, Glint, Mustard, Sunny, which is a neon shade, Peony, I think, I've no idea how you say that, Panther, Sand, Desire, Soulful, Journey, Dawn, Dusk, Flame, which is another neon shade, Rose Gold, Dew, which is my favourite shade in this palette, Statue, Feminine, Rays, Vivid, Romance, Autumn, Deepen, Daybreak, Rave, Electric, which is an amazing neon shade, Spaced, Beauty, Mystery, Sundown, Bakewell, Cranberry, Nightmare, Knockout and Blackout. So yeah, you are getting a lot of shades in here, like amazing. And then it also comes with a little mirror, and yeah, it's just I'm obsessed already. So what we're going to do is, on one eye I'm going to be doing like a little golden, sultry, everyday eye look, and then on the other eye we're going to be doing something electric and bright. So yeah, let's just get cracking, shall we? So I will swatch a couple of these on my fingers. I'm not really a big fan of swatching just because I don't think it does anything, but I'll just swatch a couple of the shades. So I'm going to swatch electric, clean fingers, I'm going to swatch electric. Wait, look at that, guys. And then I will swatch dew, because wait until you see that, like, look at that, guys. I can't even care. By the way, I have got the Jolie Beauty highlighter on today, but like this is my favourite shade in the palette, like, oh my god. And then we have Rose Gold. This is like, it looks quite pink on camera, but it is like a pinky golden. And then another shade I like is Dusk. This is such a nice shade, guys, like, look at that, it's a really nice hot pink. And then I'm going to swatch this white shade because I've got a clean thumb. Like, look how white that shade is. When I first saw this palette, my main thing was it needs a blue. And this was online, so online when I was seeing it I was like, it kind of looks like it needs a blue, like I would have loved to have seen a blue in it. But when I got this actually in my hands, I was like, no, it does not need a blue whatsoever. The story is just there. It's absolutely beautiful. I really think they've killed it with how this looks. So yeah, I'm going to stop mumbling now and we're going to do some looks. So I'm just going to prime my eyes, and I'm taking the P. Louise base in the shade Room 2. And to apply this, I'm just going to apply it with my beauty blender. If you haven't invested in the P. Louise base yet, guys, I suggest that you do, because it will change your makeup game and shadow game like no other. Now, I probably should have done my eyes first, but I'm not scared of fallout, so, and I didn't want to look spotty on camera for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the neutral eye first, and I think I'm going to do the neutral eye on this side. So I'm going to take the shade Deepen. So I'm just taking the Morphe M562, which is my favourite brush. Okay, so I've just zoomed you in a little bit. So yeah, taking that shade on this brush, and I'm just going to start packing it on. I'm really quite bad at doing my left eye, so I'm sorry if it looks a bit shit. So I'm just packing this right into the crease, basically following the shape of my eye. I'm not swiping or anything, I'm literally just getting the product and I'm just dumping it. I'm not worrying about blending anything out at the moment. And once you're happy with how the shadow is looking, you can just start to slowly buff out any edges of the shadow. So I'm not going to do anything fancy with the shadows today, because like cut crease wise, just because I just want to have fun, and cut creases can be quite stressful for people. So yeah, I'm not going to bother with cut crease. I'm literally just going to stick it on my lid using my finger and just show you how easy it is. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use exactly the same brush, but I'm just going to give it a little bit of a clean on a towel, just because I want it to be like an accessible thing, so like we're not using 20 different brushes. So the next shade I'm going into is the shade Soulful, and with this I'm just going to go 50% off and 50% on and just like start blending the two together. So far guys, these shadows are absolutely beautiful. Like, as you can see, they're blending so nicely. Sorry, I keep turning my head like right like that. But yeah, they're blending super nicely. So the formulas that are in this palette, guys, are matte shades. Then you've got what Jolie Beauty like to call pale shimmer shades, and then the last one is the metallic shades. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of a bigger brush. This is a Morphe Times Jacqueline Hill JH34, and I'm going to take the shade Warm, and then I'm just going to do exactly the same again, 50% on, 50% off. So now I'm just going to go back in with the shade Soulful, and I'm just going to build this colour up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just cleaning off this brush, and I'm just going to take the shade Sand, and I'm just going to literally buff this top edge through, just to soften it a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the exact same shades on the lower half of my eye, and I'll be right back. I decided to leave my waterline clear just to give like a little nude effect. So what I'm going to be going in with the shade Dew, and for the purpose of, for you guys at home, I don't usually apply shimmers with a brush, but I'm going to try it just for you, and then if I don't like it, I'm going to just use my finger. So this is one of the metallic shades, and it's my favourite shade in the whole entire palette. So on the brush, I'm just going to pop this on the eye. Oh my god. Wow, so this definitely does work with a brush. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my finger, now that the brush is confirmed to work. I'm just going to pop that all over. And then on the outer part there, I'm actually going to put the shade Desire. I'm just going to take another brush. This is the Pro Brush P3, by the way. I'm taking Desire on the brush. I'm just going to apply that on the outer portion, blend these two together. And as I'm applying these, I'm sure you can see I've got like a teeny bit of dust there, but there's literally no fallout, and there's none in the pan either. And as you can see, that just gives like a really nice ombre effect to the lid. So for highlight on my inner corner, guys, I'm going to be taking my Jolie Beauty So Blinding highlighting palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Dreamy. So as you can see, I have creased a little bit on this eye, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender and pat that out, and then taking a clean Morphe M562, you can tell that I love these brushes. I'm going to be taking the shade Vivid, and with this I'm going to be doing exactly the same as what I was doing on this eye, but with different colours. And this Vivid shade is one of the neon shades, and I'm just going to start packing this into my crease. Sorry again. Look at that colour, oh my god, that pink, guys. Wow, holy crap, they wasn't joking when they said that these were neon shades. What I find so strange is, when I'm doing makeup on other people, I find it so much easier and I'm more precise, but when I'm doing makeup on myself, because I am self-taught, when I'm doing it on myself, it's just so strange. And I just find it so much more difficult doing it on myself than I do with other people. So I'm just dusting off my brush a little bit, and I'm just going to start diffusing the edge. Okay, so next up I'm going to be going in with the shade Electric, and I'm just grabbing another M562 by Morphe. Honestly guys, these brushes will change your life, they're amazing. And just taking that shade, I'm just going to blend the two together. Now as you can see, I am starting to lose the pink shade, but don't worry about that because we are going to be coming back into that shade. And then just cleaning off my brush, and I'm going to start to blend the edges of that orange shade. So then next up I'm going to be taking a Jessup Luxe Crease Brush 228, which is just like a fluffy one, and I'm going to be taking the shade Sunny, and I'm just going to blend out that orange with this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start working my way back down the eye. So once you're happy with your blends, I'm just going to do the underneath my eye. Alright guys, so I've just gone off camera and done my lower lash line, and I also added the shade Flame into my waterline, which is this. So Flame is this bright red shade here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a bit of the P. Louise base in room 2 again, and then taking like a fluffy brush. You want something a little bit smaller than this, but I can't be bothered to root through my stuff. What I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to like start applying it to the lid like so. I'm just going to like buff it up into the lid. Now what this is going to do is it's going to cancel out some of that pink shade, just because when I'm applying rose gold, I don't want the bright pink to come through. I just want the pink on this bit here and running through. So this is what we're going to do. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Pro Brush and taking the shade Rose Gold, I'm going to see what it applies like on a brush and then with the finger. So here we go, taking the shade Rose Gold. Now this shade does have a little bit more fallout than say the gold shade. I actually think Rose Gold, oh there you go, you can really see the pink tones. It's like a pink and gold shift. But basically this is, I think this is one of the pearl shades that I was talking about. And then on this outer edge here, I'm just going to grab like a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH37, and I'm going to take the shade Dusk, which is like the pearl shimmery shade, and I'm just going to blend these two together so they merge as one. Like, can you see that's just like merging the colours into each other, but it's still keeping the shimmer there. So for highlight again, I'm going back into the highlighting palette by Jolie Beauty, and then I'm just going to do the same and just really pack that highlighter in there. Alright guys, and there we have the finished looks. I've just got off camera, applied a lip and my lashes. Obviously for my lip I'm wearing the Jolie Beauty Air Matte lipstick in the shade Bear. I topped it with the Makeup Revolution lip topper in Fortune. So yeah, let me know if you want a video on these lipsticks. Just leave a comment down below and a thumbs up on this video, and if you want a review on these, I will do so. So yeah guys, this concludes my review of the Jolie Beauty Golden Skies palette. I just want to show you this black shade. And I've obviously shown you the white, but literally like, look at those. Honestly, I've never seen a black like that and a white like that. Absolutely deceased. I hope you've enjoyed watching this like review. This palette, honestly, like I just love how you can do like a really nice daytime glam, but you've also got your pops of colour. Because I mean, with this eye, what you could do with this is you could even pop like, say like an orange in there, like just like a pop of colour. You could put sand, like dust sand all over your lid, in your crease, sorry, and then apply like a shimmer. Honestly, it's such a good palette. I'm not saying that just because I got sent it. I was going to buy it anyway because I kind of guessed what it was. I've known for quite a while. You've all seen how it performs. You've all seen the colour payoff. Literally, the shimmers are really good. Like, I'm just obsessed with this palette. So this is $28.99, but if you do want to help your boy out with making more content for you guys, then you can use my discount code, which is Ashman. I'll leave everything down below. The lashes that I'm wearing are actually the P. Louise lashes in the style Dare. Literally such good lashes. Obviously I love P. Louise, but you know. The highlight is also Jolie Beauty, so if you want to cop that, cop that. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.